Hi there! Welcome to another grammar lesson. Today, let's talk about the verbs repair and fix. Try answering two sample sentences to check your knowledge about them. Repair or fix. Sentence 1. He blanked the fence last weekend. Sentence 2. He underwent surgery to blank his knee ligament. Let's check your answers. He fixed the fence last weekend. He underwent surgery to repair his knee ligament. But why? Let me explain. The similarity between fix and repair is that both verbs mean to put something together that is broken or damaged back into good condition. Now let's talk about the differences. Fix means restoring something as a whole and getting it back to how it was before with no expertise. For example, my dad fixed the doorknob. We all have the reaction to try fixing something even to the point of modifying it. Repair, on the other hand, means to restore a part of something by someone with expertise. For example, the mechanic repaired my car engine since it broke. The mechanic is an expert in fixing car engines. Next, the verb fix is more common in everyday speech. In contrast, repair as a verb is common in formal situations. Lastly, fix usually focuses on a general problem. For example, I will fix my bookshelf tomorrow. It can mean arranging the books, nailing the wood, or moving the shelf. While repair focuses on the specific broken part. For example, the clockmaker repaired our vintage wall clock's pendulum. The clockmaker is the one who makes and repairs clocks and watches. He fixed a specific part, which was the clock's pendulum. It's time for actual lesson exercises. It is to test your understanding of the topic. Fix or repair. Number 1. The builders are coming to blank the roof. Number 2. I tried blank the pipes, but I broke it. The plumber is going to blank it. Number 3. My teacher helped me blank my broken eyeglasses before the exam. Time to check your answers. Number 1. The builders are coming to repair the roof. Number 2. I tried fixing the pipes, but I broke it. The plumber is going to repair it. Number 3. My teacher helped me fix my broken eyeglasses before the exam. I hope you understood the usage of fix and repair. If you still need clarification, reread this table for a better understanding. Thank you for your time today. Until the next grammar lesson. Bye!